Hello everyone, this is Mayank and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll discuss about one IT services company, IT product company basically called Tanla Platforms. So news came today that Tanla Platforms got a patent. So the patent is regarding to commercial communication. So in one sentence, if I ask what the patent is, then they got a patent for auditable transmission of messages from sender application server to recipient application server. So the idea is that there is no transparency between communication of commercial messages. Using this patent, Tanla platforms will provide a technology where the messages which are sent for commercial purpose can be done through audit. So this is what the patent is all about. More details you can read if you want to get into more the technical side of how this patent works and everything else. Tanla's platform has two products. One is called Wisely and other called is Turblock. So Wisely is a platform which uses blockchain to record various steps in transmission of commercial messages and uses to send different messages to different clients and other solutions. So we'll discuss more about the company. This is the news which came today and this has a very good impact on Tanla Solutions. So in this video, we'll discuss about the Tanla platforms as a company. We'll discuss the fundamentals and the journey, and then we'll see from technical chart perspective what kind of opportunity we have right now from swing trading perspective. Also, I'll give you my verdict with what I think about this particular company from long-term perspective as well. So please stay with me throughout the end of the video to get all the details. And before I get into all those things, as usual, the disclaimer that this is not a recommendation to buy or sell this stock. This is my personal research. You are free to make your own decisions by referring this video. Second thing, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon. And also, if you like our content, don't forget to share with your friends and social network and help me to reach out to more and more people. Also, there's a Telegram channel which is free of cost where I update the small profitable options like 10%, 12% for each everything. We cannot create a video. Those kind of inputs are shared on the channel. So if you're interested in getting those kind of updates, please join the Telegram channel. Link will be in the description always in all the videos. So we'll start with the business. So Tanla platforms, as I told you, this platform has two products. One is Wisely, which is used the platform of blockchain and for messaging and communication. So Tanla is basically a CPaaS company, it's communication platform as a service company. Okay, and it has one more product called Turblock. So these are two products from Tanla Solutions. If you want to know more about the company, you can go to About Tanla and see. So Tanla was formed in the year 2000 by few people from Hyderabad, and it's headquartered in Hyderabad, and they deal with the messaging services like basically cloud communications for messaging, voice, and Internet of Things. So they are a modern company, and if you see just few things about that, they are into the world of communications, and they have done quite a lot in the last 20 years, and they have become a global leader now when it comes to implementing blockchain for messaging purpose. Okay, and then these two tools are very much in demand, Wisely and Turblock, as I told you. Wisely got the patent, basically the Tanla got the patent for Wisely product, and Turblock is also is a good product which is used by many companies. If you see the client list, small client list is Vodafone, Airtel, SFR, Etisalat is a communication based company from Middle East, Facebook, LinkedIn. So all major companies, big companies are customers of Tanla platforms. So this is what the company does. A lot of details you can get into, but it will get more technical if you talk about all those details. But if you want to see the deep level fundamental analysis for the company, please let me know in the comment section so I can create a different video. It will longer format of video where I can discuss everything technical, what this company does, how it works, and what kind of future it holds when it comes to technology perspective. So I can create an entire video for that. If you are interested, please let me in the comment section so that we can get a different video for that, and that will be a longer format. It's not be a 10-12 minutes video. It can go up to 20 minutes as well. Now let's go to fundamentals and check what this company has achieved so far and how it looks. So few points I want to note before getting into the numbers. So this pros of the company is almost debt free, and company has delivered a profit growth of 108.13% over last 5 years. So that's a phenomenal growth. Very few companies give this kind of growth. So, and if you go further, market cap is 10,879 crores. That's a what is say? That's a mid cap company. Okay, and stock P is 30.6. That's relatively less compared to many companies. I'll show you in the peer group list. ROC is extremely attractive. 52. ROE is 44.8. Nothing can beat this. Promoter holdings is less comparatively. 41.8. It's a best part is complete debt free company. It's debt only of 4.35 crore. That also they got in these 2 quarters. Before that it was zero debt company. Net profit is 356 crore. That's a huge amount of net profit. And then if you go further, then this company, if you highlight tool is compared to peers, it is only 30 SP. If you see other companies, Happiest Minds is 91.7, Persistent System is 53, Coforge 53, Tata Elxsi is 73, L&T is 47, Oracle is less, and Mphasis is 32. So compared to other in the peer group, this company is very well placed and very attractive P/E ratio. This is how it looks. You got a quarterly result. This day has been doing quite good. 539, 522 reduced, 456 they reduced, and 583, 654, 659. So it's not much. You can see not much difference in this last 4-5 quarters compared to other companies. But if you go to year-on-year basis, then started with 366 in the year of 2010. But after that, every year they have almost till around 13, 14 they were less in terms of sales. But after that, start growing very fast. And if you see last 6 years, they've grown almost 10 times in last 6 years. That's a very good growth. 242, 432, 579, 792, 1004, 1943, and 2341. So almost 10 times they have grown in last 6 years. And this is because the digital adoption is getting very fast. And earlier things which were using emails, now everything is OTP and your verification and your links. Everything is using messaging. So since messaging has become a primary way of communication, so Tanla business is also getting very much in demand because of this particular shift in the way of communication between customer and the businesses, and that's the reason why revenue has growing very fast from 2015 onwards. And as per my understanding, this trend is not going to stop. It will even become more bigger and bigger as more and more people get into internet. The internet penetration in India is going to increase even far faster because of COVID and adoption of digital. The businesses like D2C businesses, direct to consumer e-commerce companies, are getting established in the India, in the country basically. For all these things will together factor in to push the digital transformation of the country and different products and also people communication. And since this company is one of the largest in terms of communication platform as a service, this company will get benefited, and the growth is not going to stop anytime sooner. This is my personal uh, idea and personal expectation. Net profit, if you see, this company was not making a very great profit initially. It was close to only first a loss, then 3 crore, 7 crore, 41 crore. But last year, they made a profit of 356 crore. So that's a very huge profit for this company. And their patent, what they have got, this will add a lot of value to this company because this patent is very important patent. As I told you, commercial messages are not auditable, and since they got a patent with a technology which can do this, this will add a lot of value to existing clients, and this can also help them to fetch new clients by showing this as a strength what they have got. Stock price, if you see CAGR 10 years is 49%. So every year it's a 50% growth this company has shown. You can't get wrong here ever. 5 years 84%, 3 years 193%. So every year they have tripled your money basically. So that's phenomenal growth and phenomenal return basically. And if you see borrowings, they always had a zero borrowings. Only in last pandemic issue they got 60 crores, 19 sorry, 25 crore they reduced to 4 crores only, and then I think it will become debt free anytime. It's a virtually debt free company. It will become debt free in terms of borrowing also anytime. If you go to promoter holding is 41.22% promoters. FIIs and DIs are got good investment in this company. Public wise is 43.6, a little bit on the higher side. If you reduce these strong people, then probably around 32-33% will be the holdings of public, and that's relatively little higher, more than my expectations. That means this company is quite popular also in terms of retail investors, because obviously the return is so good that you can't just ignore this company. Now let's go technical chart and see what kind of opportunity we have in this particular company right now. So this is the graph which I drawn further. So this company has grown a lot from here. It was trading at 273. After this hitting upper circuits every day probably, and then it reached up to 901. Then it came to lower circuit. Obviously profit booking was there, and then it was kind of moving in this direction, and then it got again through upper circuits and reached a point. And after that, this it's around 23 February. After that, this company is moving at a particular range, so it's still is a it's a channel, it's a rectangle channel. Similar thing I discussed with Hindustan Foods also, and that company also had a tremendous growth. This company also had a tremendous growth, and now it's traveling in this rectangle channel. Just to show you here, if I show you here, this company is right now it's below its 50-day moving average, and this level is a very good support level, very strong support level. If you see from this chart, this is the level which I'm talking about. This is a very good support level. It took support here, it took support here, and again it's there in this level. So there is nothing wrong to understand that once this is a very strong support, and once this company start moving from here, it has a very high possibility that it will touch this level. It will break or not from this level, that we can see later, but this channel has a very good opportunity, and definitely this price is going to touch the upper band of the channel. So And from that perspective, the return is 27.58%, around 27-28% return is present in this company. Beyond that, the return can be exceptional. So for that, we need to discuss more and research more on the entire company, how it's performing and everything. We need to wait and watch also. But for now, this is the kind of return. Also, I want to make a point. This company can be very long-term investment also, since because 5G is coming into picture and a lot of devices are getting into Internet of Things, where if suppose your fridge, your refrigerator is IoT enabled. So whenever you are traveling and you want this, your refrigerator will send a message to you. And this company is in the business of IoT and communication. So when this kind of things becomes a mainstream in the country, it's a long term. I'm not saying it's going to happen tomorrow within a year, but it's a long term thing. So whenever these things comes into a main fray, that time companies like this will be benefited. And for that, from that perspective, this company is also a long term investment. But again, since the video is swing trading, this is the opportunity what we get in 27.58%, and it should not take a long time to reach this level. Also, this patent will also help to fasten this journey and reach the level of the profit what we are talking about. This was my analysis on the video. If you like it, if you find it helpful, please do share with your friends. Give your feedback in the comment section, and let me know if you want analysis any kind of stock, and something which you find attractive which I might have missed. Please put in the comment section so that I can create a video on that if it is if I find it helpful, if I find it worth it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay safe. See you later in the next video.